They say we only use a fraction of our brain's true potential. Now, that's when we're awake. Our mind can do almost anything. Let me ask you a question. You never really remember the beginning of the dream, do you? You always wind up right in the middle of what's going on. In a dream, we create and perceive our world simultaneously, and our mind does this so well that we don't even know what's happening. That allows us to get right in the middle of that process. You create the world of the dream. We bring the subject into that dream, and they fill it with their subconscious.
Feels like I'm waiting, like I'm watching you fall out. Dreams where I'm fading. So free my mind, all the talking, wasting all your time. I've given all that I've got.
I love waking up in the morning not knowing what's gonna happen, who I'm gonna meet, where I'm gonna wind up.
Anthony's flying the drone in this. Oh, it's crazy.
How's the shot going, my dude? Going good, man, going good. Yo-ho!
That's so cool! Look at the air balloon!
Could watch you for a lifetime. You're my favorite movie. 1,000 endings. You mean everything to me. I never know what's coming. Forever fascinated. Hope you don't stop running to me, 'cause I'll always be waiting. You are my cinema. I could watch you forever. Action, thriller. I could watch you forever.
dreams, they feel real while we're in them, right? It's only when we wake up that we realize something was actually strange. Think about it. How did you get here? Where are you right now? This became our world. I still believe in paradise, but now at least I know it's not some place you can look for. It's how you feel for a moment in your life when you're a part of something. And if you find that moment, the dream, it lasts forever.